Alright guys, let's check out what's in the box today. I'm going to do a quick unboxing. There was this deal going on. At AT&T. None other than AT&T. Anyway, the deal was, I think that was $20 or $21 for 3 of these things here. As opposed to the original price, which is $25 each. And so it seemed like a pretty good deal and we went for it. So let's check out what's in the box. And I broke the box. Yay. Alright, so box is pretty flimsy. You can't open the box the way it's meant to be opened. Or I just opened it from the wrong side. Let's see if this side is better. See if this side is better. Okay, open it this way, guys. If you open it the other way, this is what happens.
Likey